INEC staff don demand the removal of Mahmood Yakubu or they go do mass protest. Welcome country people to INEC Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you notice of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our video. Staff members of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) don issue an ultimatum to President Bola Tinubu to initiate the removal of Professor Mahmood Yakubu as chairman of the commission over alleged abuse of office, corruption, and tyrannical leadership. This one dey come as President Tinubu on Tuesday flag off the construction of INEC new annex office for Zambezi Crescent, Abuja. For one open letter when they make available to the Whistler by staff members under concerned staff of the Independent National Electoral Commission nationwide, the workers accuse Yakubu say e dey run the commission as one-man show, and they don't threaten mass protest if their demands not dey met within 7 days. INEC staff also dey request and they call the attention of Mr. President Bola Tinubu to come to their rescue. They say they will seek the removal of Professor Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman, for abuse of office, oppressive actions, and to probe misappropriation of funds and corrupt practices. Yakubu assumed the role on November 9, 2015. He come become the first INEC chairman when they swear in for a second term after former President Muhammadu Buhari renewed his appointment for 2020. By that calculation, he supposed leave office for November 2025 to complete the 5-year tenure. Section 157 of the Constitution don't talk, say na only the President go fit remove the INEC chairman with the support of 2/3 of the Senate.